Hi, this is Sarai. I'm at Yellowstone National Park in Wyoming, and this is Old Faithful Geyser. It just erupted, and there's a lot of other geysers and steam vents all over the place here. So there's a river over there in the distance, and I was just over there, and God sent me here to prophesy over this volcano. So I went to the river on a bridge, and I had a big volcanic rock, and I threw it in the river and spoke judgment over North America and the world regarding this volcano erupting. So I prophesied that the geysers erupt, that Old Faithful erupts, and that the volcano explodes in judgment of the unrepentant sinners. So I just wanted to show you Yellowstone and tell you about the prophecy that Jehovah told me to prophesy here on this mountain. Okay, bye.